Hi, my name is Esther O, and my test presentation is on the Scholastic Reading Inventory, also known as the SRI. The SRI is a computer adaptive reading assessment program for students in grade levels K through 12, and it measures their reading comprehension level on the Lexile framework for reading. The SRI is designed to measure a reader's ability to comprehend narrative and expository text of increasing difficulty. So as the students take the assessments, depending on their ability to answer questions correctly or incorrectly, the level of difficulty will either increase or decrease. The SRI is a computer-based assessment where the students are assessed with multiple choice questions. The purpose of the assessment is to assess the reading comprehension ability and the aptitude of individual students while providing a low-stress environment because students are allowed to take the assessment in any classroom using a laptop or any media center depending on the availability of the computers. The assessment provides a score that can be used to determine placement of students in possible interventions for reading, a certain level of ELD, or a level of English course that might be requiring some level of reading skills. During the administration of the test, it is important to confirm that the students have the computer skills to take the test in order to eliminate possible discrepancies to their scores. There are practice items provided to ensure students understand the directions and know how to use the computer to take the test. The SRI can be administered at any time during the school year. However, at least 8 weeks of elapsed time between administrations are suggested in order to allow for growth in the student's reading ability. The assessment is not timed and can be administered either in a group or an individual setting. In conjunction with the SRI, other assessments that can be used to determine a student's placement are a student's CST scores from the previous year, or maybe the previous year's teacher's recommendations and their observations based on their student work and the various assessments that may have taken place in their classroom. What does a student go through when taking the SRI? The student chooses an area of reading interest. The student takes the assessment, and the student is given a reading list according to their scores. The teacher is provided with the student's reading levels. It's provided with also the recommendations of interventions for students to meet their expectations, and the computer program also provides the teachers with informed placement recommendations based on their scores. Although the SRI is not the only form of assessment that is used to determine English placement from levels K through 12, it is an assessment that has been adopted by many districts and has been successfully applied through multiple grade levels. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.